To install a hot swap SAS or SATA drive, make sure that the tray handle is open. Align the drive assembly with the guide rails in the bay. Gently push the drive assembly into the bay until the drive stops. Push the tray handle to the closed position. If the system is turned on, check the hard disk drive status LED to verify that the hard disk drive is operating correctly.